Hello guys, welcome to Elite Minds. If it's your first time on my channel, do where to subscribe, and if you are a returning viewer, well, thank you for returning. And in today's video, we're taking a look at Cswap. Alright, Cswap Testnet. It's quite easy and straightforward because we've done something similar to this on Harbor Protocol, so it's same thing. So what you just have to do is to head over to their Discord and request test tokens. So this is their Discord, like I showed you the last time. This is their Discord. You head over to their Discord and request for test tokens. So you just have to copy your wallet address. Click here, copy address, look at it, copy, or you head over there to your Kelpa wallet. If you don't have it on your PC, make sure you have Kelpa wallet. So you head over to Kelpa wallet and you copy these three addresses. You copy 1, 2, 3. Comdex, Cosmos, and Osmosis. So what you just have to do is come over to Comdex, you copy address, you head over to their Discord. I'll drop the link in the description of this video so you can join their Discord. So once you copy your address, you head over to test tokens, scroll down and head over to request faucets. Once you request faucet, you type in $testnet and you put the address and send. You can just look how others are doing it just like this and you send. Okay, and the test tokens will be sent directly to your wallet. So you do the same for both. You do it for both the Comdex, the Osmosis, and the Cosmos, just like this. So you copy the three of them. You do it for both Comdex. You do it for both Comdex, Cosmos, and Osmosis. You copy all three address and you send to their Discord. Okay, and the test tokens will be sent directly to you. So that's just it. So once you do that, you can come over to trade. It's very simple. Come over to trade. You impute the amount in which you want to use for the swap. I'm going to click on half and you click on swap and you confirm transaction in your Kelpa wallet, and that is it. Okay, it's quite easy. Transaction successful. So head over to assets, okay, and you click on deposit. As you can see, I've been given extra tokens, so you can click on atom. So you can see I have about 3.98 atom. If I want to deposit, I can decide to deposit 1.5 or 1.6 and click on deposit and approve transaction. Now once you click on deposit for atom, the wallet address will be added to your Kelpa wallet. Same for Osmo. I don't have any Osmo because I've already interacted with this platform, so that's why I don't have Osmo, but I can still request once more. So once you click on deposits for both Atom and Osmo, the networks will be added directly to your wallet. Then you head over to farm and provide liquidity. You create on create pool, you click on select CDM, Comdex, and Harbor. 50%. You click on next and you impute the amount in which you want to use. Let's say 10, or let's say 2.5, and also 2.5 for Harbor, and you click on next and create. You confirm transaction in your MetaMask. Okay, fail to execute. Pool already exists. Okay, I've already created this pool before now, so I can't create it anymore, which is this. All right, so guys, that's just it for Cswap.1. all right, very easy. Just interact. As you can see, I have already interacted before. Now that's why you're seeing this. So you're seeing all this here. I've interacted before now. So guys, take action, guys. Don't sleep on it. Take action, guys. So that's just it. So I'll see you in my next video, guys.